Hello everyone. Finally ready for you guys to judge my home, or I mean, show you guys my apartment tour, so let's get started. So the first thing you see in our apartment is our kitchen. You guys just came through the hallway, my front door is here, and then our kitchen is kind of this big long half hallway, half countertop situation. My previous kitchen was literally like this wide, I feel like, including the fridge. So for us it was just like a nice upgrade. Even just having this big ass sink that fits more than 2 plates has been an absolute dream. We love it so much that we don't even use our dishwasher, cooker and hob. Unlike most New Yorkers, I actually do cook a hell of a lot. And our fridge, nothing exciting going on here. That is our kitchen. Moving on to the rest of the space, swiftly brings us to our living space, which is not much of a separation between our kitchen and this space, but it works really well for us. So we've got these beautiful warm wooden floors that we really wanted to play off of, so we kept that like warm theme going throughout. A little bit of mixture of earthy materials and like mid-century modern, so like a bit of a mid-century modern coffee table and kind of like a comfy mid-century couch. And then this beautiful big kind of gallery wall. We kept it simple. We didn't really want to overwhelm us or feel like it was coming in on us too much. I really wanted to create a space that was really inviting, really cozy, and just kind of made anyone that came in here feel comfortable. One of the biggest things I loved about this apartment was the absolutely gigantic windows all throughout the apartment. They let in so much light, and light is such a, I guess, luxury in New York City apartments. My last apartment was super dark and dreary, and I feel like I just love waking up every day and seeing all of this light. So yeah, we didn't dedicate too much space in the apartment for the TV. It's just kind of there in case we need it. Also have a pretty nice balcony, which also comes in handy. Just get some fresh air, make the space feel a little bigger during the summer months. We spend a lot of time out here this summer. We've got some simple IKEA chairs and a couple of plants, but it's nice. And then on the other corner of this little weird room is our little nook, which I love a lot more now that we painted these doors. This is just a utility room. It has our kind of heater boiler thing for the water and all of our like junk in their luggage. But this was originally black, like a lot of the door frames, and it was just like too heavy. So we just made it a little bit brighter. Fiddle leaf fig, of course, comes as standard with most New York apartments. But I guess that brings us on to what is behind this mysterious black door. So let me show you. It's not that exciting, it's your bathroom. Cleaner than it's ever been right now because I usually stuff it full of crap. This is mainly where I do my makeup. I have my skincare and beauty bits in the corner. I'm not a big bath taker, but I'm trying to get into it. So yeah, I'm hoping this will be like a nice relaxing spot to hopefully keep you in the bath longer with a book or something like that. Nice big bath, love it. And yeah, this is where we do toilet things. Onto our little hallway, to our bedroom, little sneak peek. This is kind of an awkward spot. I have this old table from our last apartment, this chair. I kind of made it into a junk area slash work desk. Onto my favorite part of the apartment though, our bedroom. So excited to show you this bit. Yeah, welcome to our intimate space, I suppose you could say. Oh my god, this light is like my favorite thing. This really was the selling point for the whole apartment, is all of this beautiful natural light. We've got floor to ceiling windows both in here and in the living space. We got another window above the bed, and yeah, overall we just kept the place very calm and serene feeling, not too much clutter. It's actually a pretty big room for New York standards. When we first moved in, I was very set on getting this bad boy a king-size bed, as well as a huge 3-door wardrobe, all for me, which I'm very excited about. being on the south facing side and on the corner, it just really sold it for me, and it just again means maximum light. Maximum light for me means maximum mood, and it's definitely something to look out for if you're on the hunt for apartments. And then my pride and joy, some more plants that I managed to keep alive. In the other end of the room we have the built-in closet, which is my boyfriend's domain. He finally has his own space. The fact that there is so many exposed elements to this apartment, all of the construction notes and little scribbles from the contractors are still all on the wall, and it's part of the reason why I fell in love with this apartment. It just adds so much more character instead of just kind of a plain white box that a lot of New York apartments tend to be. I was definitely one of those girls that always envisioned living in a big Brooklyn artist loft. What I love about having all of these exposed pipes and concrete ceiling as well as the floor-to-ceiling windows is it kind of gives me a taste of having a Brooklyn loft, but in a much more practical space. However, our apartment is not the only thing we have to show you. There's a lot more amenities that we have going on in our building, which make it a really fun place to live, so let's go. First up, the basement. So this is our basement. We have our laundry room. If you don't already know, in New York City, having laundry in your building is a pretty big amenity. And then we have our own gym, which is really, really good. Definitely having the gym in the apartment is a super big perk for me, and I have no excuse now, I have to go. Next up on the 5th floor, we've got a couple of amenities that are really handy for a young professional like myself. We have a conference room, and we have like workspace cubicles, so like individual workspaces. Just switches it up, especially for people like me who freelance and work from home a lot. It's nice to kind of get out of your apartment and actually move to like a dedicated workspace. So when I saw this in the initial tour when I was viewing the apartment, it really kind of like grabbed my attention, and I've used it quite a lot. Next up is our games room area, which is quite cool, sort of like a recreational spot for everyone. During the summer, there's also parties in here as well. It's like an extension of all of the outdoor space that we have on this floor as well. There's kind of outdoor space on some of the lower levels, and a little surprise which I'm going to show you later. So it's our rooftop. This is such a luxury for us. We have an amazing view of Manhattan here, and we had so much fun on this rooftop in the summer. We had barbecues and friends over and sunbathing. It was amazing. What was your favorite part of what I showed you guys today? I would love to know in the comments below, and don't forget, if you're new, subscribe. I do weekly vlogs of my life here in New York City. It's pretty unique. That is all from me and Manhattan. I really hope you enjoyed my apartment tour. Definitely worked my butt off to be able to live here, and I'm excited to be able to share with you guys. Hopefully you guys will stick around, and I'll see you in my next video.